trying to get behind it.
All right, I got a new bracket for the deck. I already put a new belt on the thing here. And when I was down there, I noticed the deck was leaning. And I thought it was out of adjustment. There is no adjustment though. So the only thing I could see is if you look here, this is the new bracket hanger. It's going to go right here. Look how deep this is here. And look how it worn down right there. You don't have much metal left. But look at it all right here. So when it hangs up on the bar up there, from bouncing it, rub this, at least, I would say almost a ½ an inch of metal disappeared. So if I put this one on, it'll lift this side back up. So just a simple 9/16, and it's just 2 bolts. Let's see if it makes it more level. I guess I should have showed you how it was, the deck was leaning down and it was rolling on the roller on this side, but that side over there wasn't even touching. Zip this off. You got a bolt here and a bolt on this side. You can see the difference. See the difference of the two. Look how much metal here and how this is all worn out here. And actually, it's actually bent over too. It's bent out. So this should keep it back up. And they're carriage bolts with the square head on the inside, so it actually is pretty easy. I did buy another bracket for the other side. I'll probably change that one too since I'm here. Now they are different. They're not the same. There's rights and lefts for these brackets. I'll show you. This is the right. That's the right side because one side's flat. See how they're different. The hooks go to the inside. So the hook on the inside and the hook on the inside. I'll change that one. Look out, doggy. No, you can't help. No, you gotta get back, you little sucker. Look, there's a mouse. Go get the mouse. Look, get the mouse. This one's worn down a little bit too. Not as bad as that other side. Let's take a look at this one. It's actually not that bad. See, that has a lot more metal. A little bit worn right there. But we'll put the new one on. Okay, so belt is still on, which is good. Now these two, this just hooks on a bar that's underneath here. Let me show you. So you can see how it hooks right here. If you look under here, right here, they hang on this bar, follow it across, and right to there. It just hangs on this. See if you can show that, like put it down there from underneath. Give me the other side. Okay, it hangs on the back like that. And then right here in the front is this pin. Take your cotter pin out, and this is going to have to go through there. So you got to lift your front up. Like that. Somewhere. Not even bleeding. Sneaking hole. Man, that's on. Now the belt. We gotta pull the belt tension back on with the spring. And it came off on the back. So here, have to give it slack. It's got to come around this back here, which I can't see. Tension back on this. That's it.